everyone, blessed be. I wanted to show you an idea I had for a little charm that you can make, and you can use this for any purpose you wish. I'm just making one that's decorative today, but you could put in any herbs or anything that you want for whatever purpose you wish. So I bought one of these magnetic closing little lockets, and oops, I got this from my local craft store, and it's about a £5, and it's got 2 quite strong magnets on it, so once it's closed it does stay closed. Like, it's really hard to get it to, like, you have to actually press to get it to open. And sorry about that, that was my phone going off. And it doesn't just open on its own, look, it takes a bit of force. So you need something that's going to fasten nice and securely. So I have this. So I'm just putting my phone on silent. So yep, so I have this, and obviously you can see through both sides, so that's nice. I have some dried rose petals. Don't need a lot, obviously. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. There you go, just make sure the focus is locked. So I've got some lovely dried rose petals, a little locket. I've got a little daisy flower that I pressed. You could also put in other items like a little pentacle. This one though is all tarnished and weird, so I'm going to leave that out. But you could put in any herbs that you want for, say you wanted to do ones for protection, you could put like rosemary and stuff in, but I'm just making a decorative one, like I said, and you're going to need some ribbon. So first of all, I'm going to put in my rose petals that have obviously been broken up, so they're small enough to fit inside this locket, and I want to have enough of them to cover the back side of the glass to provide like a really nice background. Obviously if you had some larger ones, you could use some larger ones. So I've got those in. I'm going to get some more actually, 1 second. Just going to add a bit more, because I've got some in the bottom of the bag that are like almost powder. That'll fill up the space nicely, like so. And I love the smell of this, it smells absolutely gorgeous. You're not going to smell it through the locket unfortunately, but it is nice. Then I'm going to take my little pressed daisy, because I love daisies. Place that in the centre. Then I'm going to close the lid. And I'm going to take my ribbon, and because my ribbon's only thin, I'm going to fold it in half and thread it through double. If you had a thicker piece of ribbon, you could probably just do like a single layer of it. And I'm going to make it so it's possible to wear around the neck. You could make it as well so it'll go on a keychain or something, but this will probably be better worn around the neck. So I'm going to tie it off about there, I think. Oops. And all I'm doing is just knotting it at the top, like so. And then I'm going to cut off the excess ribbon, like that. And to stop the ribbon fraying, you can dab a little bit of glue on or use a lighter just to melt the edges a little bit. And there you have your little charm locket or decorative locket. So this one could be used to represent Letha, because it's got like the daisy, which for me kind of looks a bit like a sun. It's got the rose petals in there, so it's got like, you know, flowers and things which are obviously vibrant at this time of the year. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.